Good morning, guys, or whatever, nighttime, whatever it is for you, but it's morning for me, and it is Sunday, and it's going to be hot. It's going to be 85 degrees today. I haven't driven the Audi all week, so I decided let's go shine her up. Let's go give her a little bubble bath. We just got done that. We're still in the car wash, waiting for the tire shine to dry. If you guys haven't figured this out, I don't know. I've been using tire shine for as long as I've been driving cars, and I don't know what it is about the Armor All. Excuse me, sorry. This video is brought to you by Diet Mountain Dew. Feel the flavor. I don't know what it is about this tire shine that I've been using, but it will leave marks on your driveway or wherever you are parked. Never used to happen like that before. It always used to wash off in the rain, but yeah, I've done it a couple of times now, and I've actually noticed on a couple of customers' driveways as well. You can see the four outlines of the tires, the bottom of the tires. I know exactly what it is, so be careful when you're using that stuff. Don't use it in your own driveway. That's tip number one for the day. So we're waiting for this. I like to do it in the car wash because it's concrete, and who gives a shit? I don't. We're gonna let this dry up, and then I think we're going ice skating. My daughter wants to go, so we're gonna bring her, so I'll get a little footage of that. We'll see how the rest of the day turns out. Come on, stick along for the ride. It's gonna be a good one. Alright, that's gonna do it for me, guys. Take these off. Get some eye contact with y'all. Trying to put out as much content. It's just my life, really. I like cars. I like other stuff too, but I like cars. So for whatever reason you guys are watching this right now, I do appreciate it. So keep watching it. Keep liking the videos. Comment down below on what you want to see next, what projects. I'm open for just about anything. So we just got a workout in. It was arm day today, and it's Sunday, so we're gonna rest up and get ready for a new week. Whew, look at that. I'm gonna chill here for a little bit, but yeah, you guys have a good rest of the day, night, whatever it is to you. I hope you enjoy it. Stay positive. You guys keep it weird. We'll catch you next time. Bye.